In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact TikTok business support. Navigating through the digital world, one may often find themselves in need of customer support, especially when it concerns your business on platforms like TikTok. Whether it's a query about your account, advertising, or in-depth analysis of your TikTok performance, reaching out to TikTok business support can be of immense help. That's exactly what we're diving into today. A straightforward step-by-step approach to getting in touch with TikTok business support. Firstly, kick things off by heading over to the TikTok login page. This is your gateway into accessing personalized support. Upon arriving, you'll notice several options for logging in. For a seamless experience, click on Continue with Google. This option is designed for those who prefer to use their existing Google account information, thus skipping the hassle of remembering an additional password. Upon selection, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to proceed with. If you're like me and have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your TikTok business account. This links your TikTok profile directly to your chosen Google account, ensuring a smooth and secure login process. After choosing your account, you'll encounter a screen asking for your permission to continue. Go ahead and click Continue. This step is crucial as it authorizes TikTok to access your Google account information, thereby validating your identity and streamlining the login process. Once inside TikTok, navigate to the homepage. Here, you're just a few steps away from reaching out to business support. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Your attention is often pulled in multiple directions on the homepage, but for now, focus on finding the Terms and Policies section, typically located at the bottom left of the screen. Clicking on Terms and Policies unveils several options. From here, look for and select the Help option. This action redirects you to a more focused area where your queries can be addressed more efficiently. The Help section is a hub of information and user support, making it a critical step towards resolving any issues or concerns. Within the Help section, you'll find an option to type your specific concern. This is where clarity is key. Be as precise and detailed as possible regarding your query or the issue at hand. The information you provide here will aid TikTok in understanding your situation better, allowing them to offer the most appropriate advice or solution. Remember, reaching out to TikTok business support is all about two things: patience and clarity. With a myriad of users reaching out for help, response times may vary. However, the detailed information you provide can significantly influence the efficiency and effectiveness of the support you receive. And there you have it, a straightforward, hassle-free guide to contacting TikTok business support that ensures your business continues to thrive on this vibrant social media platform. Whether it's clarifying doubts, resolving issues, or seeking strategic advice, this guide should help you navigate through the process with ease. Remember, the digital world is ever evolving, and being equipped with the know-how to access support empowers you to keep pace with changes and make the most of your TikTok business experience.